When you receive the package, take out one BedMaker and try it out in your hand. Remove the elastic band, carefully due to the spring, and let it open. Notice how the footstand clicks into the slot. Push it back out again and lower it down. Do this a few times to get a feel for how it works. It's that easy. Now let's try it on the bed. Pull back the bed sheets to expose the bare mattress or mattress protector. Slide the closed BedMaker in between the mattress and the base of the bed. Make sure the back end is resting on something solid and the front is on or near the edge of the bed frame. Try it out a few times, then stick it down with the gel pads. Sticking your BedMakers down is very important, so don't skip this step. It stops the BedMaker from sliding around under the mattress and helps it to open fully and reliably every time. Don't worry, these gel pads contain no glue or adhesive. They are simply rubber with miniature suction cups. They will not damage your box spring or bed frame, and they can be repositioned as needed. If they get dusty, you can even rinse them with water to refresh their grip. If you have fabric over your box spring, like this bed does, you need to add the extra backing piece to the gel pad before sticking it down. First, peel the backing off the gel pad on the BedMaker. Then, stick the clear plastic side of the extra backing piece to it. Now, peel off the backing paper and press the BedMaker to the fabric. Now we can use it. Just lift and let go. You'll hear a click as the footstand engages in the slot. Now, make the bed and tuck the sheets in between the upper and lower plates of the BedMaker. To close it, lift slightly, push the footstand out, and lower it down. You can also do this with one hand. With the heel of your hand, lift slightly and push the footstand out with your fingertips. The important thing to realize here is that you need that slight lift at the beginning, just a few millimeters, to take the weight of the mattress off the footstand before pushing it out of the slot. Up, down, up, down. What if you have a bed skirt? If you have the kind that covers the whole surface of the box spring, you'll want to pin it down right where the BedMakers sit. This will keep it solidly in place so it doesn't slide around. Otherwise, even if you stick the BedMaker to the bed skirt, both can still slide around under the mattress, since the bed skirt is not attached to anything. But just to be clear, you can keep your bed skirt. Just be sure to pin it down right where the BedMakers sit. Or replace it with an elasticated wraparound model that does not cover the surface of the box spring. If you're wondering what this metal piece is for, it's a sheet guard, and it's there to catch the bed sheets and prevent them from hooking underneath the foot. These grooves are a finger guide. They help you to find the BedMaker on the bed by touch alone. When the bed sheets are on, they cover the top plate of the BedMaker, but you can still feel the finger guide through the sheets and find the BedMaker that way. The BedMaker works on all types of bed frames and mattresses. If you have a question we haven't answered, please don't hesitate to get in touch with us. We want you to be truly happy with your purchase, because we know that you don't need to struggle with a mattress ever again.